let's cook us some beef tenderloin and some snow crab clusters. We're going to get that center cut of beef tenderloin and hit it heavy with salt, pepper, and garlic, SP&G, to your liking. Got it coated on the ends as well. Then we're going to add some herb de Provence, some dried herbs on there. Roll it around. Ready to go. I sprayed my legs with some olive oil and actually seasoned with some Old Bay too. Put whatever you want on there. I did not show that, but put Old Bay on it. We're going to have a little bit of broccolini with it, so rinse it off. And then let's trim off the ends as well and get it ready to go. We'll put it on that pan. I did always put foil on my pan so I don't have to wash them. Sprayed some olive oil on that. Throw in that broccolini however much you like. And then again, spray that with some olive oil and salt, pepper, and garlic, or just salt and pepper, whatever you like on there. That's salt and pepper and garlic. Get it mixed up good. She's ready to go. You get some different choices there. Ghee, regular butter. I use the Kerrygold butter. I just prefer it. It's cleaner and perfect for this. Put her on low heat. I turn it on kind of high, but then turn it down. Keep turning on and off, but keep it real low so it doesn't burn up on you. You don't want brown butter. Got the Memphis fired up. We're going to take it to 250. And we're going to put this tenderloin on there. Boom. And I like putting it on that pan too so it's easy to roll. But anyway, been on there for about an hour and a half. Got up to about 100, 125, 130 is perfect. A little bit over, but that's all right. Bring it inside. We're going to slice 1 1.25 inch thick steaks. And a beautiful cut we got from Bradis Meat Market here in Casper. Center cut. And those are perfect. Had that cast iron pot pretty warm, a little bit of olive oil on it, or avocado oil, I apologize, avocado oil. And then we're going to put a little sear on it here. You could sear as much or as little as you like or whatever there. Could probably use a little bit more oil, but I just got it in that avocado oil over the corner. All right, so then we're going to put up on the ends there. Again, do this as long as you like or whatever, but flip them a few times, get a little brown on it. And they're to your liking, then I just set them off aside. And they're going to rest as I'm putting everything together. So we're going to go ahead and plate, put some snow crab clusters on there. A little bit of broccolini on each one of the plates. And I'd actually also sauteed some mushrooms and onions. And that's what I'm going to put on there now. Didn't show that, but decided to do that later. Mushrooms and onion on top of the steak, and voila. There it was. It turned out excellent. And that was cooked exactly how I like it. What I'm going to call a rare to me, maybe medium rare. But anyway, needless to say, here's what my plate looked like. Give us a like and follow. Please subscribe.